Knocks it towards to the front. Beautiful footwork. Heavy shot. And the ball is in the net. Crowd would... A very timely interception. Reads the play beautifully. Long pass. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Knocks it towards to the front. Let's hope it's not too serious. Taking the free kick. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Well, it might still work out for them. Well-timed tackle. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Some minutes will be added after regular time. Good play, one-on-one. The whistle is sounded for half is underway now. Looking for options. Beautiful footwork. Pushing it forward. Good play, one-on-one. What a great opportunity. Nice one. Keeping possession. Well-timed tackle. Nice block. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Carrying the ball forward. Goal! Again! Knocks it towards to the front. Pushing it forward. Keeping possession nicely. No more time, the referee says, and that will do.